What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open your Notion mailbox. Now once you're in your Notion account guys, you want to look towards the lower left hand side and you'll find the arrow here. It's going to, once you hover over that, it's going to show you the option to open the mailbox. So click on that, it's going to open up a new window which is the mail. And as you can see here, it will ask you to sign in or to connect with your Google account. So go ahead and do so. Click and continue, and you will see that you'll have to give it some authorization there. So you'll just need to go ahead and accept it and confirm it and continue with your account. Now from here, you will see where it says that you can select some options here. So in this case, I'm going to just say select all for now, as this is a tutorial, and scroll down and click and continue. Now, once you do that, within a couple of seconds, you will see it takes you right into the mailbox of Notion. So as you can see here, it is showing my mailbox, and that's it. So here it shows calendar, it shows social, and basically you have those other things right here. So here you can see, so I'm going to just simple click and continue for right now. And you can see right here that I'm inside my mailbox, and this is what it really looks like. This is a full-blown mailbox. As you can see here guys, this is the Notion mailbox now, and you can see what it does is actually input all of your emails that you have as well from within your actual Google account, so you can use it just as normally. So all emails that you have within your Google account, those emails will be synced right into your Notion mailbox. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. It's super easy to use. As you can see, you have the inbox on the left hand side, you have labels, you have promotions, you have mail on the left hand side, sent, trash, settings, all those good stuff, right? Very easy and very simple. And that's it guys. One of the cool things is that you can even have this on your computer as well. If you look to the upper right hand side of your browser, you can see where it says install mail web, and you can install this Notion mail directly from to your computer as well. And it's super easy. Just go ahead and click on that. You can see the option here, it says install. Just go ahead and click on install, and you will see that you have it installed on your PC. And as you can see, that's it. I can go ahead and I can close it, I can open it. So if I close it right now, and let me go ahead and minimize this for the time being, you can see on my desktop here that it says mail web. It is directly for Notion, and that's all that it is guys. Very easy and very simple. So that's it guys. That's how you go ahead and, let's say, access or open your Notion mailbox. Very easy and very simple.